Welcome back, car enthusiasts and diecast collectors, to another exciting unboxing here on NAW32 Nico Ismay YouTube channel. Today, we've got something special for all the Datsun fans out there. We're going to unbox the Kaido House MINI GT Datsun 510 Pro Street Anniversary Edition in this gorgeous purple. Let's dive right in. Here we have the box, marked with the Kaido House logo and the model number KHMG 138. This isn't just any diecast, it's a celebration, an anniversary edition of the iconic Datsun 510 transformed into a pro street machine. Opening it up, you can see they've packed this beauty with some serious care. The model is nestled between layers of foam to ensure it arrives in mint condition. Here's the moment we've all been waiting for. Wow, look at that purple shine! The Kaido House MINI GT Datsun 510 in this anniversary edition really pops with its deep, purple paint job. The attention to detail is just phenomenal. From the custom wheels to the lowered stance, everything screams street legend. Let's zoom in on those wheels. 8-spoke alloys with low-profile tires, perfect for a pro street look. The body kit adds just the right amount of aggression, blending classic lines with modern flair. The interior, although tiny, is detailed enough to see the bucket seats, rolling cage, and a sports steering wheel. Turning it around, you can appreciate the craftsmanship from every angle. The rear wing isn't just for show, it's all about that classic pro street aesthetic. And don't overlook the exhaust, functional details that make this model stand out. If you don't know about Kaido House, here's a brief history. In 2020, Jun Imai, with his background as a designer for Hot Wheels, launched Kaido House, a brand dedicated to celebrating Japanese car culture through meticulously crafted die-cast models. His vision was to embody car culture for all scales, focusing on the unique style of Kaido racers. Each model, starting with the Datsun 510 Pro Street, was not just a toy, but a miniature piece of art, showcasing bespoke finishes and alloy wheels not commonly seen in mass-produced 1:64 scale cars. Kaido House's approach was revolutionary. All models, including chase versions, were packaged identically to emphasize collecting for love rather than rarity, quickly earning a dedicated following. Quickly moving beyond just die-cast models, Kaido House expanded into a broader lifestyle brand. Jun Imai's art studio produced one-of-a-kind art pieces, while the online store sold exclusive merchandise like apparel and enamel pins, deepening the brand's integration into enthusiasts' lives. High-profile collaborations, such as with Nissan for the Nismo 40th anniversary, highlighted Kaido House's significance in the automotive community. These partnerships celebrated automotive heritage while showcasing Imai's skill in merging art with car design, making Kaido House not just a producer of collectibles, but a cultural touchstone for car lovers, fostering a community where creativity and individuality thrive. Setting it alongside other models in my collection, you can really see how this Datsun 510 stands out. Whether you're into the nostalgia of the 510 or just love detailed diecast models, this one's a must-have. That does it for our unboxing of the Kaido House MINI GT Datsun 510 Pro Street Anniversary Edition in purple. If you're as impressed as I am, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let us know in the comments if you've added this beauty to your collection or if there's another model you'd love us to unbox next. Thanks for watching, and keep those engines revving.